This video covers the end of OpenStax Introduction to Business Chapter 12, Outcomes 10 and 11. Outcome 10 is what is social media, and if you're watching this on YouTube, you probably know what social media is, but we're specifically going to be talking about how has social media changed promotion. There's one extra click I have to do here, I think, to get this to move. So, how are companies embracing social media to connect with customers? So there's blogs, right? And those help marketers have a real-time dialogue with customers to promote their products and services. Podcasts, right? And posting videos, on YouTube and other places to promote the company. And the effect, one last thing, I'd just like you to think about what has been the effect of social media on traditional advertising. Newspapers, television, billboards, things like that. What has happened to those in the age of social media? So outcome 11 has to do with e-commerce and how that affects promotion. So I'd just like to ask you to think about the question, how can brick and mortar stores use technology to compete with online giants like Amazon? So what factors contribute to the internet soaring growth in retailing? I think that's another question I'm going to leave you with. So here's some things. The ease in use of and the ability to comparison shop, right? It's easy to use, and you can figure out what is this one selling it for, what's that one selling it for, what's this product like, what's that product like. So that's a real boon to online retailing. So that's the end of chapter 12, and